Okay, and we're back. You didn't know we went anywhere, but we didn't go anywhere. We just changed cameras and took about a 5-minute break in between. Let's turn this around while I'm still fresh in my mind here and see about bending this guy down. Make our metal flatter, straighter. Fits in the recycling boxes easier. The transport. Not necessary, I guess. But waste of time, energy for such a little bit of cheap recycling. But anyhow, back to the game. Here's this thing. It's a little bent, but see if we can see down in there where them little Phillips screws are. There's one moving. Oh, let's put on the magnet. We'll work it to stick to everything down there. Huh? Maybe though if we put it. Nope, it still would stick. Where's another screw? Way further down. Come on now. There you go. Start unscrewing that one. Come on. Yeah, and it came out. There you go. Screwdrivers are magnetic enough. Should be by now, as much as the magnet rides on it. Unscrew that one. Come on. That one's out. That one's still not all the way out. Look at this, another turn or two. Where'd my dog go? Look at there. Pull that right off of there. Is it all just 10? Or is it more than 10? Let's just find out. Yep, okay. They don't need to come apart. We'll send it just like that. Dun-da-dun. So there's that side off. Now let's come over here and bend this over this way a little bit. Oh, you can see down in there. How to get them 4 screws out of there. Come on now, quit messing around. That one's a coming. And there's one. Oh, thought it was stuck to me, but it did not. This one. Put it over. Put it there. Alright. Same as the other side. Goes there. And I did leave a screw in here because it wasn't necessary. But it is necessary for the rest of this contraption. So let's get that one out. And that one's out. What's going on down here? Come on now. Get that one out of there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now how is that still attached? Oh, that's what I thought it seemed. Screw that we left. We're always leaving the screw behind. Not good. Get all the screws you can. Because when it's over, it's over. There's that one. Well, now it's set right off of there. And another big, nice piece of metal. Chunkity chunkity. Get it in here somewhere. No, let's just stick it to the side right now and stop wasting time on that. Alright, look at this guy. So you have all those, and you have this. Maybe this would have been easier before we took it out of there. But anyhow, let's come here and take that one out, that one out, that one, that one. And this thing has a lot of stuff going on with it. I'm impressed. Da 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 da. Come on. Holding up the show. I swear. Why you want to hold up the show? But you're aggravating. Not wanting to come out of there. Screws. Look at that. I think that one's not going to be loose enough. Alright, let's maybe if we speed this up, we'll put our magnet back where it belongs. That's aluminum. That one. That one. Come on. Slowing down, guy. Tired of holding it. That one. This one. Brrr. This one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. They're all out. Alright. Alright, come on. Hop off of there. Got a little of that white glue stuff holding them down. That's a piece of plastic. Okay, that there. That first one we took out earlier there. I just found out watching somebody else's video the other day that some of these type of things don't look like these do though. But they're silver or even gold occasionally inside of them, which sounds odd. Maybe silver is not so much, not too rare to be thought about, but come on, it's taking forever. Maybe if you didn't talk as much, you'd get things done faster, but then if you didn't talk once in a while, you'd be way more boring than you already are. By you, I mean me. Dun, 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 dun. Come on up there. Little plastic doodads. Look, all that prying and don't think I stabbed myself yet one time. Alright, now let's see if that's what loosened the rest. It does appear so, except for right there. It's a thingamajigger. Oh, it has a screw on there. It's hiding over there. That one. All right. So that's that circuit board out of there. Who knows what all's in it yet? This will be something different to look at and take apart and try to figure out. Let's set it right there. And this is a nice big old aluminum heat sink right there. Look at that. Wow. Big old piece of aluminum. Let's set it right there. run over here 1 second. Where is it? Where'd she put her other camera? It's talking to us. Come on. Dead space. Oh, too much dead space on the camera. I'm sorry. I ran in there to see why she was texting me, and we were talking as she was leaving about cars. Mentioned General Lee. She just texted me to say that a General Lee replica just passed by her. A replica, copycat, whatever you want to call it, but I thought that was pretty funny. Okay, we got gangs of wire and circuit boards here still, where the switches and all were. So it's just full of screws. It's just like 50 of them. Not quite 50, but it sure seems like it. I think this is gonna go kind of quick, and then all of a sudden it does not. Wow, so many different screws. They really wanted this machine to stay together, and it did. It stayed together pretty good. So whoever threw it off the roof, or I say roof, second floor window or whatever, when they were moving or getting moved, did not survive through that. Maybe it survived pretty good up till then, but it didn't do good on that roof, on that flying thing. Maybe good for lots of things, but apparently it's not good at flying. I think we can take these out and then get those others out whenever the switches is all out the bottom, looks like. Keep going here. Keep it working. I think that's the last screw. But we got some of these. Oh, I might can get that out. Put out that too. Yep, on that one. Not on these. These will require turning with the pliers to loosen. Lucinda. Come on. Come on. Dang it. Hurts my thumb where I cut it or stabbed it a couple days ago on whatever I was taking apart. There we go. Come on off of there. That one. That one. It's a moving. This one is gonna move. What are you doing? Come on. There you go. That's nice. Alright, so that plate is about to let everything be freed. Except for these few here where we put her, oh, that's greasy there, yeah. Come on, last one. What the devil? Alright. So now, give me my magnet back. That's about it. And that piece of tin, steel, whatever, does have one more little circuit board here, which is brown on one side and has all these nice blue towers. It looks like a city block. getting all my tools greased up. Look at that. Da-da-da. Put that over there for now. Like I said, this is a nice piece of steel. Well, that's it. Back over here, we got all kind of stuff going on, with all kind of wires going on. And I can see that our easiest method here is going to be snip, snip. I'm going to have to wash all of these tools now that they got this grease on them from whatever was lubricant they had on some of the stuff in there. Looks like a lithium type lubricant. Man, it took a mess of wires in here. So there's that little board off with the switches. A little piece of metal there. Figure out how they're all hooked together. And a little plastic roof on that one. Okay, these switches. This group, and we got this group, still hooked to the other one. Let's just get through this quickly. Leaving a little wire behind. That one could unplug. There's another bunch of little switches, push buttons. Little board, and then these are the last two together. Let's see, that one unplugged, that one unplugged. What else is going on here? And all these are soldered down below. So da 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 da. Come on now. There you go. Oh, some more. This got a mess of wire in it. Alright. And one more. Boy, this keeps on giving. Another little green board. Brown on one side, green on the other. That's one that was brought. I don't see much of nothing on it either. And you got this one. And knocking all these plastic pieces around over here and over there, here, there, everywhere. Let's see. This can unplug, unplug, unplug. Ah, come on now. Oh, that's so brittle it broke up as I tried to squeeze it to unplug it. So I think it's been heated up a little bit too much in there. A little too much heat has found its way in there. There we go. There's a little brown board there with a green back. And the switches. I don't see much of anything else in there. So, a lot of stuff, wire, but doesn't look like a whole lot of anything in there with any kind of good value. Even these things, where you plug in your stuff, often have gold and really nice stuff, or silver even, but this doesn't appear to have that. It has lithium grease all over my fingers and everything I touched. That counts for something, and I can tell you it does not. Put these in there. Okay, so that's all the parts. It's all scattered around. There's this big old guy here. Where did our Phillips go hide at again? He's always hiding. Mr. Phillip man. Let's see. Da-da-da. And I don't want to play. Of course it don't want to play. Never wants to play. take this off of here. Long screws there now. What can I say? Long. Lots of washer, lock washer, regular washer, flat washer. But since this is this long, and it has a nut, I'm attempting to put the nut back on it, like that, so that they can stay together for some future project. Who knows what that'll be. Alright, this is the last piece here. We can get it to come on. Nah, I don't want to hold that one again. Get this last piece off of here, just to see exactly what we got in there. Come on. Almost there. Oh. Nut washer. Alright, let's flip it over to the other side. Got a little bend going on. Get that air out of the way. Alright, this is going to be stubborn. Of course. Get down to the nitty gritty, they always are. Who knows what's in there? We could get a surprise of a lifetime. I'm sure. I say who knows what's in there. I'm sure lots of people know what's in there. Well, somebody made this thing. Somebody built this thing. Someone designed this thing. All those people know what this is. Also, they don't realize it's aggravating to get it apart. Maybe they do. Put it there, not there, it's not there. One more, folks. Just one more to go. Oh, I think this is the thing that the warning was about. Because there's that other part still on the wires there that said, don't go. Don't go. Okay, there's that bracket, there's that, and what is it? Just what I suspected. Metal, life is but a dream. Oh, that's supposed to be Mary, Mary, not metal. Well, cut all these off of here so we can get this piece off and out the way. This little thingy, more wires. Couple wires on that side of it. Let's just go ahead and get them out of our way so we don't have to. Oh, come on, why you want to be stubborn? Alright, look at that. Just what I thought. Some type of transformer. Nice piece of copper there. Probably copper wire inside. Or aluminum, but most likely copper. And it's heavy. That's what was adding the real weight to that machine. Alright, well, there you go. It's all tore down. Wire to take apart yet. Switches to take out of it eventually. At the moment, it's going just like it is. We'll see what we'll do later. Nice having you. Welcome aboard. What is it? Oh, comment below, like, dislike, prefer not, but dislike if you want to dislike, so we know. Comments below on what we can do to make it better, worse. Well, we don't want to make it any worse. That wouldn't make a whole lot of sense, would it? But, anywho, until the next one, I guess this is going to do us. These little screws don't want to go back, so, whew. Alright, take care. Da da da.